This project is a citizens' hub, which is going to be a one-stop shop for the people of Dún Laoghaire.
It's going to be a project where they're going to do a lot of changing on an existing setup where 25 years ago they made the skylight, which are leaking a lot right now. So we are changing it around, putting in our new VELUX modular skylight into it.
VELUX modular skylights are, I think, the only product that's suitable for what we're doing here, and the only ones that could find on the market that could give us the length of skylight that we required. Modular building materials are going to be the most important thing, I think, to give quality to the specification and to the completion of projects, especially now that we have such stringent U values required for all the different elements within a building.
The advantage of using the VELUX system is that it can be installed very quickly. Once the VELUX roof panels are installed, that opens up a huge amount of work inside for us in relation to completions, carpeting, furniture installation, decoration and plastering. Until the VELUX roof panels are in, it's not possible to carry out this work. So having that done in a fast-track environment is paramount to our success in completing the project on time.
We're working with VELUX since 2012. So we fitted probably in the region maybe over 4,000 units at this stage, all over from schools to courthouses all over the country. I think it is definitely the way forward, that you can just, everything clicks together nice and simple like a big jigsaw, and so the modules will go in very quick. That's our main goal, to do a job quick and then do it right.
It's the way forward in technology, and I would predict within the next 10 to 15 years that most projects will be using panels like the VELUX system in their construction, because it's fast to install. They're pre-made off-site, delivered and installed, and there's no issues in dealing with the VELUX people.
Natural light saves massively on energy costs, and they're a very efficient system. There's very little heat loss. Definitely the number one product, in my opinion anyway, in the market.
VELUX as a company have been really very good. We were very reassured by their interest in the whole project and by their interaction and rapid response to any of our queries. The quicker we get this job done, the better, and I think that was another reason why we picked VELUX, because we knew that the good product would arrive and be assembled very quickly. Daylight is critically important in a building, so we're really looking forward to getting our new VELUX system.